Good morning. Welcome to the Rafe Granger podcast show. This is an advertisement for a free workshop I'm offering based on Byron Katie's The Work. And I'm putting it up on my social feed and YouTube channel. And I figured, you know what? Might as well just throw it in my podcast feed too. So that way you listeners of the podcast can also hear about it and have a chance to join us. Hope you're all doing well out there as we learn and negotiate new times during COVID-19 and our social sequestering. My thoughts are all with you, and I'd love to hear from you and just to hear how you're doing, or if you have any entrepreneurial stories or hobby interests that you're doing that's keeping you going through these times. Feel free to email me at rafe@rafegranger.com. And again, hope you're doing well and love to see you come into this book review / workshop. Until next time, take care. Good morning. My name is Rafe Granger, and I am a business coach in the Portsmouth, New Hampshire Seacoast region. I wanted to share with all of you one methodology that has brought me lots of peace over the years. And maybe at another recording, I'll share with you the other methodology. But if you're like me, you can be judgmental, especially to myself. I can have opinionated and strong beliefs of where I'm convinced is truth. And I can get caught up in that, in the narrative of the mind, and it causes me suffering. I can also be a logical thinker, so I can get trapped into things like I shouldn't think that way, or especially at times like this where we're all sequestered and practicing social distancing during COVID-19. Um, I can say, I know I shouldn't worry about things outside of my control, and yet I find myself worrying about those things. And so just knowing it has never solved it for me. Have somebody tell me doesn't do anything. I still worry or I still may be anxious about it. So this method that I found is called The Work by Byron Katie. That's the process. Her book is called Loving What Is. And I want to do a combination live book review and workshop for free as my way to help anybody out there who may be in the same boat as me and can suffer from mental suffering. This is her method called The Work. It solved it for me. It gave me a way out of the story, the narrative that would be in my mind. It gave me peace, and it would work like magic. Her book also is entitled The 4 Questions That Can Change Your Life, and I find that to be true. So I want to put out there 3 different dates to maybe match different people's schedules. And in this process, you'll learn the process of the work. You'll get introduced to the work. We'll share the process together. We'll go over it together. My plan is each workshop will be 90 minutes. What do you need to attend? Absolutely nothing except your desire to end your mental suffering, an interest in conducting self-inquiry and seeing your truth, not my truth, your truth, a notebook. The 3 offerings are going to be Friday, April 10th, the year 2020, 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. That's Friday, April 10th, 2020, 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Tuesday, April 14th, 2020, 12 noon to 1:30 p.m. Or Thursday, April 16th, 2020, 4:30 to 6 p.m. These are for free. The way you can register is just go to my website, rafegranger.com, click on Discovery Session. I know this isn't a discovery session, but just use that link for now. And that's how you can register. Or you can just email me at rafe@rafegranger.com. Hope to see you there. I'm very excited about this. It's a fun process. I love leading people through it and introducing people to Byron Katie's The Work. Hope to see you there.
Go time!